Hey guys, as I mentioned in the 2019 goals report, I want to be more transparent about my retail arbitrage and show you some of those results, because the idea is if I can do it, you can do it too. So getting right into those receipts, you got the first one from Friday night, 133 pairs, about a spend of 5,300. You got the second receipt from Sunday, about 98 pairs, and about just under a 5K spend. And then you have the second receipt from yesterday that was just under a 2,000 spend, or 35 pairs. So I had a total of 266 pairs, and what you're looking at here is you're looking at around 21 bags worth of them, another 12 bags, and then in the back here there's another 19 bags. Okay, and beneath the counter there is the 41 that I processed already, so I'll include something with an Inventory Lab screenshot. But what I wanted to show you now is I can't show you too much of the actual products because a couple of them have lots of them actually have no FBA offers, and some of them are kind of secret sauce, so to speak, so I do apologize. But some highlights definitely were these Hyperdunk X's. I've been on these for a little bit now, and I keep running out of them because they sell really, really well. I was able to get a few pairs, but not too many because somebody else is kind of getting in on that. The other cool thing were these Air Forces. I'm not much of a retro guy, but cool to come across these, and they were good selling. Other things, got some TR8s here. This was something new that I saw at the outlets this weekend. I think this is something that's just starting to get in, and it's really nice because it's a sock fit and really, really good look. And then lastly, I have a finger trap. Just nice to pick these up because although they're not high dollar, they still sell fairly well. But hopefully this will give you some idea. Yes, if you're wondering, some of these boxes do have the lids cut off. You don't necessarily need full boxes for everything, especially these low dollar stuff, but high dollar stuff, yes, there's full boxes here as well. So the majority of this is full boxes. Want to check out some of the other details in this video? I'll put some clips here at the end. Thank you for watching.